Hello everyone, it's Tom here. Today I'm going to show you how you can solve algebraic equations quickly and easily. So in the first example, I'm going to go through with you using the standard method, i.e. the slow method, and I'll show you the trick afterwards and run through a few more examples so you can see exactly how to use them. Okay, so the first one that I'd like to go through with you is a simple equation like this. Obviously, we want to solve for x, and the first thing we need to remember with equation is that what we do on one side of the equation, we need to do the same on the other side. So the traditional method tells us that we've got divided by 5 on the left hand side, so we want to multiply the equation on both sides with 5. So on the left hand side, the 5 cancel out. On the right hand side, we've got 15, so we can rewrite the whole equation as 2x plus 7 equal to 15, right? Okay, so secondly, what we want to do is that we want to take away 7 on both sides, so we can cancel out the 7. And we've got 8 on the other side, so we can rewrite the whole thing as 2x equal to 8. And now we solve the equation by dividing the left side by 2 and divide the right side by 2 as well, so we get the 2 cancel out, we get x is equal to 4. There's nothing wrong with that. It works, but it's quite slow. So the trick is, let me give you a new equation to solve. Now to solve the equation, obviously we want x on one side and we want everything else to be on right hand side. Okay, so if I say to you, everything that you move from one side of the equation to the other side, you need to change the sign to the opposite. So if it was a plus, you would change it to minus to the other side. If it's a minus, you change to the plus. If it's a times, you change to the divide. If it's divide, you change to the times. Now what I mean is this, okay? So first of all, on the left hand side, we've got 3x minus 4 divided by 7. I want to get rid of 7 first. Okay, so I can rewrite the equation as 3x minus 4 equal to 2. Before it was divided by 7, now I'm moving the 7 to the right hand side, i.e. the other side of the equation, so it will become times 7. Divide times, okay, it's equal to 14. Secondly, I want to get rid of the minus 4, so I can rewrite the equation to 3x is equal to 14 plus 4. Equal to 18. And lastly, 3 times x, so to get rid of the 3, it was times 3 before, and now it's 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Problem solved. Alright, so let's do the next one mentally, see and apply this trick and see whether we can do this quickly. Okay, so to get rid of 7, 3x plus 5 is equal to 35. 3x is equal to 30 because 5 goes to the right hand side, becomes minus 5, and then x is equal to 10. That's your answer. Yeah, nice and easy. Okay, lastly, I want to give you something a little bit more difficult to do. At first sight, that does look a bit horrid. In fact, if we apply the same trick as we did, on the left hand side is now divided by 7x minus 9. So to move it to the right hand side, we have 7x minus 9 because it's times at the top. And I'm not moving the 5. 8 was on the right hand side at the bottom, so to move it to the right, we'll go times 8. 1, 1. Okay, so basically this has gone up to there, this has gone up to there, and the denominator remains as 1. Okay, so we can rewrite it in the format that we like. 7x minus 9 is equal to 40. 7x equal to 49, and x is equal to 7. That's your answer. Hope this makes sense. If it's helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.